Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Medieus token. Now this is a token on the Polygon blockchain that has over 100,000 holders already. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting May 27th. Ticker symbol is Mdus. We're going to go over the information on this token. We're going to talk about a couple different ways that you can get the token. We're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced today that this token will be listed May 27th at 9 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So, if you're looking to get this token, one way of getting it is by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then when this token gets listed on the 27th, go into the trade section and search MDUS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, since this token is a Polygon token, it's you could also get this token by maybe Gate is not available in your country. Maybe you want to get it before it gets listed on Gate, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange. You could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet with Matic. Go into the dApps, find Quickswap, and then trade your Matic for the MDUS token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, Medieus.io. Over there you can also find a full white paper. It's a PDF. Now, there's a max total supply of 4 billion Medieus tokens. They have 20% of the tokens going to the founder and team, 15% sale, 3% advisors, 20% company, 30% rewards, and 12% going to the partners. Now, they have 106,196 holders already, according to their Polygon scan. Looks like this token is on Uniswap. I can see Uniswap transactions. If I keep scrolling through, I'll most likely see Quickswap because that's where Polygon tokens are, but definitely Uniswap I see on here. Yeah, most likely Quickswap as well, but I mainly see Uniswap transactions on here. So don't quote me on the Quickswap thing. It could be just Uniswap, but I assume Quickswap as well. But yeah, they have an on-chain market cap of $85.2 million, 18 decimal places on this token. So their webpage here, Medieus.io, has a MediShop, Meditech, project info, community section, ecosystem, about. You could change the language from English to Korean. All the Medicare in the world, easy and convenient. Like shopping, this is Mdus, Global Blockchain Medical Commercial Platform Project. So they also have another webpage linked on here, Medieus.com. I don't know if it's Medieus or Medieus, but they also have this other webpage as well. So we build a Web3 ecosystem for hospitals, doctors, patients, biopharmaceutical companies. Now enjoy shopping with the medical products, information, and our services. So a global medical ecosystem is built with the Mdus compensation. It says, my experience becomes a choice that saves someone's life. As the Medieus ecosystem becomes more active, the quality of medical services improves. Medical services experience becomes the reputation of the hospital and doctor. We recommend personalized, excellent hospitals and doctors based on reputation. Health information becomes big data through analysis, and we recommend personalized healthcare products and medical services. So they're also available. It says Uniswap, so I guess just forget Quickswap. It could be on there, but it definitely says Uniswap on their webpage. It also says it's listed right now on a kind of like a tier 3 maybe central exchange called DigiFinex. So if you have a DigiFinex account, you can get it on there as well. So yeah, there's a reward system. So they reward the Mdus tokens with rewards and benefit systems according to the activities of the participants within their ecosystem. So there's care to earn. Users such as patients, hospitals, doctors, and companies, information, registration, and sharing, community activities, purchase levels, etc. With Medieus, depending on various activities, you can get compensation. And you can earn to pay. Rewarded Medieus cash can be used for a variety of benefits through medical open market, for payment, for the use of medical products, for the use on the platform, subscriptions, seminar training, and advertising, and so on. So they do have a contract address on their page. At the bottom of the page, they also have a Telegram and a Twitter. You can join their communities there. And it says, join the community, follow for benefits. Only community will be airdropped tokens. Join the communities for up-to-date news, healthcare benefits, token rewards. So search for hospitals, doctors based on reputation, personal health record management services, network building among hospitals, doctor-patient strengthens platform loyalty, recommendations, sales of medical products based on personalized health information, and individual patient registration of his or her own medical information such as medical receipts, prescriptions, examinations, result sheets, etc. Medieus coin rewards based on registered information, integration and management analysis of personal health data, benefits of personal health history management services. Now, it says they've had over 1.2 million visitors, 72,525 hospital DB, and 34,122 doctor DB. And they have the Medi shop. They have a Facebook at the bottom of their page, contact email. You can check out their giant white paper. So check this all out, Medieus.com and Medieus.io. And they also have a big white paper and socials. Check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.